Democratization can hurt you, but it can help you. And we are absolutely seeing security organizations around the industry adopt generative AI to help them, to help in their fight against bad actors. From threat detection has a long history in cybersecurity, obviously, because you need to be able to find anomalies in your networks, you need to be able to find anomalies in your data. But one thing that generative AI really excels at is finding these patterns in data. That's what it's trained to do. And so when you use it to find these patterns and detect threats in real time, it can be extremely powerful because you take away the human element of needing to find an anomaly, understand it, build a model for next time, right? You can just do this real-time ingestion and then have human beings deciding whether or not the threat is real or the anomaly is worth looking into. And it can lower that